We actually spent about the whole half hour on cognitive collaboration. And we did talk about unified communications and how Cisco is the player with all the different chess pieces already assembled to really come in and create a phenomenal employee experience across the board, right? Across the whole WebEx platform, across messaging, meetings, calling, and across devices, and across contact center now too. So we talked about that because that's obviously important. And you've seen us with our philosophy of building bridges, not islands. One portfolio, interoperating amongst all the different ecosystem players like Microsoft, Google, Apple, etc. So we showed some of that. But really the star of the show was cognitive collaboration. And that's intelligence and context slipstreamed into the product without the user ever needing to lift a finger. And that part, we're crazy excited about because about a year ago, we bought a small startup. It happened to be my startup because Chuck realized the entire collaboration space was moving towards having ML and artificial intelligence layered in and just woven into the entire employee experience so that that context is brought to you on a silver platter without you needing to lift a finger. So when he realized that, he bought the company, right? And I was on the board at the time with Cisco, so he was an avid user of the products. And now they've become the foundation for the WebEx graph. And this graph is 250 million people, 25 million companies rich. So when you go into WebEx today, and you're coming into your meeting, you get there 30 seconds early, you can see everything about the person you're meeting, everything about their company. You don't lift a finger. So now that context that we're gonna have is gonna make that meeting more effective, but it's gonna make it more human. And it's WebEx today. It's real, it's live. It's what Fortune 10 customers are already using for 280 million minutes a month. That's a crazy number of meetings. But if you use this interface, it feels like software built for the year 2019. I love it. And it's clean and it's fun and it's so visual. And the thing is, it incorporates the cognitive collaboration pieces. It incorporates the people profiles and the company profiles and the facial recognition. But more than that, it's so much easier to use, right? And I'm loving it. So I'm on it all day long every day. And I just love it. Cognitive isn't just that piece. It is WebEx Meetings, which already launched. It is WebEx Teams, which is coming. It is all those pieces of the platform. But that underlying graph data can also be used in areas like contact center, where right now the best in class is customer lifetime value. But imagine if I know everything about these folks and I can start to understand their potential to different businesses. I take that potential customer lifetime value portion, I put it together. Now, not only do I know how much you've spent with me, I know how much you could spend with me. And that means I need to make that effort to pull you in as a customer and give you the right experience to get you up to that maximal level. You will see cognitive collaboration meshed into our devices as well. So you saw it with facial recognition, which has not been seen anywhere else in the entire industry. You saw it with active framing, and the audio and the noise cancellation capabilities and the audio capabilities are phenomenal. So you're seeing it on the device side. Think of crazy souped up caller ID. So when someone calls my desk phone, is it a robocaller? Is it a real person? If it's a real person, oh, it's someone from finance. Are my numbers ready? Do I want to answer that call yet? All of that now, right, is going to become available in your phone. So you're going to see it step through the entire platform. Everything is going to take a leap forward.